we started in January this year. The challenge was actually aimed at encouraging the students to read books that they wouldn't normally choose, books on various topics. So the challenge actually went very well, and I was very impressed with the number of students that actually took part. We divided it into two groups. For the younger group, it was PYP 4 to PYP 6, and then we have PYP 7 and upwards. So there are two students here who are eagerly waiting for this moment, so I'm not going to keep them waiting. The winner of the first group is Miyabi Tomioka. And the winner of the second group is David Yusupov. I'd just like to say that Bookopoly will be starting again in September next year, so I'm hoping to see a lot more students taking part. Thank you, and if you could just clap it up.